Jetavan strainer cone silicone funnel filter tip cone-shaped fine nylon mesh funnel with hooks disposable, 100 PCS with 1 PCS silicone funnel filter. Micron strainer cone funnel, made of high-quality durable materials, 100% nylon mesh tip at bottom. Easy to filter, high-performance cone shape will eliminate dirt, dust, particulates, lumps and any debris which affects your paint job by clogging spray tool, airless sprayer or paintbrush. Versatile, disposable strainers are ideal for automotive coatings like resin, primers, sealers, base coats, clear coats and single-stage top coats etc. Also excellent for house, hobby, arts and craft paints. Applications: automotive spray paint and wood furniture machinery paint etc. Suitable for 1.3 to 2.0 caliber. Opening diameter, 13 cm 5.1 inch. Satisfaction guarantee: we provide 100% money-back guarantee. 180-day products exchange and money back. If you are not satisfied with our product, click the link in the description to get this product.